Hello and welcome to V2X, Driving Made Fun and Efficient, which is our submission for the Ford Hackathon. V2X is a system which allows intercommunications between a vehicle and various other parts of the driving ecosystem. With this system, vehicles are able to communicate with infrastructure, people, and also other vehicles in order to solve various problems which are present within modern day vehicles, and therefore we allow a much smoother, efficient, and enjoyable drive.
After a lot of research, we came up with a few problems that we aim to solve with this project. First of all, vehicle personalization options are usually limited to driver-related options. Also, drive assist and self-driving features are mostly non-communicative with other vehicles and infrastructure. Increased traffic leads to increased congestion and travel times, thus reducing fuel efficiency. Also, determining who is driving the vehicle at a particular time is an unaccountable and unreliable process. To counter this problem, at V2X, we propose a framework which allows people to communicate with infrastructure, people, and other vehicles. Our solution uses several cutting edge technologies such as IoT, machine learning, and edge computing.
We're now going to take a quick look at the features offered by V2X. The first feature is V2V or vehicle to vehicle communications. This feature allows people to drive in a convoy and also share audio as well as other media between the convoy. Automatically reducing safe distance and maintaining an optimal distance between drivers in the convoy can reduce traffic delays by synchronizing their movements. This is more apparent when cars are stopped at a light or at a signal. The driver reaction time is going to be always much higher than machine reaction time, and this will reduce the traffic delay. V2V communications, when deployed at scale, allow much more freely flowing traffic and smoother drive experiences for all involved. Next is the V2I communications. V2I, or vehicle to infrastructure communications, allows vehicles to automatically communicate with different parts of the driving infrastructure, such as traffic signs, road and public infrastructure objects, things like parking lot, parking sensor indicators, crosswalks, garages, streetlights, etc. This allows a bunch of safety features to be enabled, like automatically reducing speed when pedestrians are detected, as well as automatically locating available parking either on the street or in parking garages, automatically adjusting lights, steering, and other features when inclement weather or visibility conditions are detected by infrastructure, and also to be able to detect hazards much before they can be visible on the road and make adjustments thereby. Finally, V2P or vehicle to person communications allows much more personalized vehicle experiences, not just for the driver, but for also other passengers in the vehicle. This basically allows real-time detection of people who may be located inside the vehicle while it's driving. And this can automatically adjust features such as climate control, lighting, sound volume, and also other such features while the vehicle is in motion or while certain people are located inside the vehicle. An additional advantage of this is to allow the owners to monitor real time who or what is inside the vehicle, detection for babies or pets who might be left inside a vehicle, and very importantly, allowing owners to restrict who can access the vehicle and who can drive the vehicle under what conditions. And on the insurance side of things, having a much more personalized insurance for each driver separately who drives a vehicle at a certain time. And in case of accidents or in case of mishaps, there's a much more cleaner record of who was driving at what time and what exactly happened with the vehicle.
So now we will take a look at the UI/UX of V2X. So over here, the user can create an account by typing in their basic information like their full name, email, and password. V2X maintains a very clean and minimal UI design to enhance the overall app experience and make V2X accessible to a diverse user base. Once a user creates an account, they are directed to this page where they can add their car. In order to connect to their Ford vehicle, they must type in their vehicle identification number, or VIN for short, the license plate number, and finally the ID number. Once the user has created their account and connected their car, they are taken to the main dashboard of V2X. Here, they can find a myriad of settings and essential options to manage different modes and features like valet mode, sentry mode, and speed limit mode. On the Maps tab, the user can manage and track the live location of the cars in their proximity for efficient vehicle-to-vehicle communication. We also have a simple-to-use menu section for convoy-specific features. Over here, the user can either join an existing convoy or create their own convoy with custom features such as audio linking and optimal speed. V2X is not only a beautiful mobile application, it also works on the web and for tablet-sized screens. Through these devices, V2X users can manage their apps and settings. V2X was made possible by Muntaser, Aryan, Kartikay, and Inesh. Thank you so much for listening to our pitch for V2X, driving made fun and efficient.